Hello guys, in today's video we will talk about a three-step process to buy cryptocurrency. So we will only need a three websites. We will use a tradingview first, and the second one we will use CoinMarketCap, and the third one we will use coinglass. In this video I will show you all what you need, so be with me. The first thing, we will go to CoinMarketCap. This is CoinMarketCap. So what you need to know in CoinMarketCap is just like a room full of opportunities, but it's not all of this coin are opportunities. Most of them are scam. So how can you know which one is better? So first of all, what I like to do, I like to do a filter to choose a Binance as exchange. If you want, you can choose your platform that you are using. It doesn't matter for me, but for me in this example I will use only in Binance because I'm trading in Binance. And the second thing that you need to do is to press that apply, and then as you see here, all this coin are here. So what you need to do is you need to click in that filter, the last 24 hour, the one who decrease, the most decrease in Binance, and the high increase if you click. So yeah, this is this one. So pump now crypto, it's pumping 15% this day. So most of people did jump on those coins. So in this video you don't need to do like buying this kind of coins that's already pumped. No, basically what you need to do is you need to press that in the most that are in red right now, because they are dumper right now, which means there are opportunities there. And then what you need to look at, at the volume. It need to be down and high volume, and also green in the last 7 days, which means it's already pumping. And then which means this is more likely it will be only correction and then continue higher again. So in this example here, I saw a coin that's called WAVE. So now we are moving into WAVE USDT chart. What I like to see in the most pumping Binance, I need to see a pump first of all, accumulation, because this pump then accumulation always happen because insider informations. So these guys, they come to buy before the real move happen. Whenever you find a big forme in Binance, you find a guy he's already pump and then accumulate and then push higher, and then the news release. So in this kind of example, this is kind of insider information happen. So in this example, as you see here, with it pump and then accumulate. So most likely if we break out this high, we will skyrocket, as you see, to 1.8, something like that. So here what I am looking, I'm only choose, as you see, only the high volume node. I'm selecting the volume profile from here to here. So I'm selecting that one, that one, that one, just to understand the order flow in the current market. As you see here, whenever the price come here, it rejected. This is liquidity pool, scare people to sell, and then now run higher. And then as you see here, they protect that zone because they bought a lot of coin here. And then now, yesterday, we reject from that high volume. Now this is a bad sign for yesterday, and then now we can coming down. But in my point of view, we will protect this kind of HVNs, more likely to break out higher. So I'm going to 4 hour to just simplify the idea on what's going on right now. So as you see here, this high volume node is acting like support and resistance. It's not support resistance because support resistance is everywhere, but high volume node, no, it's not everywhere. As you see here, it's resist the price. As you see here also, I'm going to only now focus my analysis only in that deep to understand where is the volume. As you see here, we have that initial volume right there. This is where the market makers will go next, because this is the high volume, which means if it starts buying here, they will sold something like that. Because if you want to buy here, if this HVN $100 million, let's suppose, just put it this way, if I am going to pump the price to this, I need to buy $100 million here, okay, and then I can sell it easy here. But if I cannot, if this HUN is very low, which means I cannot risk more than that, which means this one, for example, it is 50 million, for example, I cannot buy 100 million because it's very risky to sell it. And yeah, as you see here, the HFTs, when the price come down, as you see, they accumulate in very significant HVN that's already printed a long time ago. So the HFT is like they only analyze the volume and what's going on in the past, which price zone was very huge accumulation, and then they will buy at it in the future. As you see here, they already bought some here, which means these prices are very good, 0.9, 0.89, around of this price. This is good price, all of them. And what I like to do, I need to confirm that anything that will take me to that high volume. So what I basically like to do, we will move to the next website. It's called coinglass. This website just allow you to know where liquidations are, because the market maker deliver the market according to where people will lose. So if a lot of people will lose here, they will deliver the market a little bit lower, and then they can push it higher. So in this website, it allows you to know where those stop losses are. Now let's move to, as you see here, what I like to do, this is a coinglass website. I'm going to, you can go to this bottom right there, liquidation, and then liquidation heat map, and then you can choose any model you want, it doesn't matter, it's all the same. And then you choose the coin that you want. This is very important, and you choose 3 months. Don't go to 1 hour or 1 day or something, just go for 3 months to have a clear picture on where the coin is going. As you see here, whenever we have this sellers that they are trying to sell, they got liquidated. As you see here, now the smart money has already accumulated a little bit here, and then they dump the market lower to take out all this buyer that they chase this breakout right there, because a lot of people will see this is resistance, and that breakout a lot of people getting, and then they trapped. Now the market come down, take all these lows, as you see, a lot of millions being liquidated there. And the thing that you need to pay attention, when we reach that HVN, which means this one around of this price, we cannot go lower, even was the liquidation there. As you see here, 900 million, 600 million, a lot of billions will be liquidated if we got, but we didn't. This thing show you that the algorithm is no more interest to go lower, and then as you see now, it starts building up and increasing the position. As you see here, it just was 900 million, now almost 1.2 billion, because the extra HFT starts buying, and now they are creating more sellers. Now there are sellers trying to sell, because this is order block, support, resistance. You will see it a lot of different perspective, and then they will start chasing it to sell, and then the market will give them a little bit of hope and then take them out. As you see now, as a target, you should start targeting this accumulation here, that one, because it will be a lot of people will got liquidated in that price levels. So your target should be around of 1.4, because a lot of people will got liquidated on that price level. Now what you need to do, to go to here, as you see here, now we make a high, make a low, we make a high, fail to go above that because a lot of people buy, which means a lot of take profits are there, the market didn't give them that, and then it go lower. This is, you call it a stop hunting. This is a stop hunting because it failed to create new high, and then the market create new low. This is a stop hunting. How can you confirm that? When the market shoot higher, and then you start looking for a buy. So basically, when I got the idea on all the information that you need. I'm just waiting for something like that, and then taking some kind of low, breaking of structure, and then going higher. This is my favorite model. And that high should not take that high. That high should not take that one, because a lot of people buy in that low. That's why the market didn't give them that significant high, because they will be in profit and they can quit the trade. So yeah, it will not be profitable for market maker. That's why they didn't give them that high. And then the market went lower. This is a stop hunting. If the market come back to the range aggressively with high volume, yeah, this is a good sign to buy. And then you can target that PL. Say, this is how I'm looking at the chart. I need to find a trade step. I need to make sure I am buying in the red. The second thing, I need to have liquidation above the marketplace that I am in. And also I need to have a two step, like this kind of liquidation. I need to manipulate buyers, and then, or manipulate it. It depends on the situation. Is it you are looking for a buy, or you are looking for a sell? For this example, I'm only looking for a buy, so I am no interest on any kind of selling, especially when Bitcoin is very bullish. So I don't want to get stuck in some kind of sell positions. So if you like the video, make sure you like and you subscribe in my channel.